Hello student, today we will study the fourth module of this chapter, Nationalism in India. The module is the sense of collective belonging. Nationalism spreads when people begin to believe that they are all part of the same nation when they discover some unity that binds them together. So, history and fiction, folklore and songs, popular prints and symbols all played a part in the making of nationalism. In 20th century, with the growth of nationalism, that the identity of India came to be visually associated with the image of Bharat Mata. Abhinavanath Tagore also painted his famous image of Bharat Mata. Devotion to this mother figure came to be seen as evidence of one's nationalism, because by using these photos, images, icons, songs, the freedom fighters or leaders or writers wanted to create the feelings of nationalism among the Indians. In late 19th century, India nationalists began recording folk tales sung by the bards, and they toured villages together folk songs and legends. These tales, they believe, give a true picture of traditional culture that had been corrupted and damaged by the outside forces. In Madras, Natita Shastri published a massive 4-volume collection of the Tamil folk tales, the folklore of southern India. He believed that folklore was a national literature and it will create the feelings of nationalism among the Indians. During the Swadeshi movement in Bangalore, a tricolor flag was designed. It had 8 lotuses representing 8 provinces of British India and a crescent moon representing Hindus and Muslims. Another means of creating a feeling of nationalism was through reinterpretation of history. By the end of the 19th century, many Indians began feeling that to instill a sense of pride in the nation, Indian history had to be thought about differently. The British saw Indians as backward and primitive, incapable of governing themselves. In response, Indians began looking into the past to discover India's great achievements. They wrote about the glorious development in ancient times when art and architecture, science and mathematics, religion and culture, law and philosophy, crafts and trade had flourished. So, all these were for creating the feelings of nationalism among the people of India. So, these culture, songs, stories, images of Bharat Mata created the feelings of nationalism among Indians. Okay.